Hello. Today we will learn about the phrase abound with something. It means to have a lot of something. For example, the garden abounds with flowers. This means the garden has many flowers. Abound with is always used with. You cannot say abound flowers without with. It is an inseparable phrasal verb. You can use it to talk about places, ideas, or things. For example, the city abounds with history. It shows there is a lot of history in the city. Abound with is a bit formal but useful in speaking and writing. Similar words are be full of or teem with, but abound with sounds more descriptive. Remember the structure. Subject abound with the something. Try to make your own sentences with abound with. For example, our school abounds with talented students. Practice will help you remember this phrase. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.